The Enerlites line of dimmers is designed to offer enhanced lighting, fan control, and energy efficiency in residential and commercial settings. With advanced features and cutting-edge technology, Enerlites dimmers provide users with precise and customizable control over lighting levels, creating the perfect ambiance for any occasion while promoting energy conservation. Dimmer switches are designed to replace standard switches. They come in 3 different styles: traditional slide dimmers, rotary dimmers, and digital dimmers. Enerlites dimmer switches come in single-pole, three-way, and multi-location varieties. They are designed to be compatible with various types of lighting sources, including incandescent, halogen, dimmable LED, and dimmable CFL bulbs. This versatility allows for easy integration into existing lighting systems, offering flexibility for different applications. In addition to dimming functionality, some Enerlites dimmers also include fan speed controllers. This single-pole dimmer switch also houses a 3-speed fan control switch. Non-dimming fan controls are also available in different styles without lighting control. The Department of Energy has advocated that an upgrade to dimmer switches not only saves energy costs, but also increases the lifespan of your light bulbs. With smooth and consistent light transitions, users can enjoy a comfortable lighting experience without any flickering or buzzing. Likewise, fan controls make speed adjustments quick and safe. Install these products in various indoor spaces, such as bedrooms, living rooms, lobbies, dining rooms, and more. To learn more about Enerlites lighting control solutions, visit Enerlites.com today.